So in the previous lecture, we have discussed about the properties, right? Properties of matrix addition. And what was that? That matrix addition is commutative, matrix addition is associative. Along with that, we had discussed about the multiplication of a matrix by a scalar quantity. So what we had done in the scalar multiplication, that every element of the matrix gets multiplied by every element of the matrix gets multiplied by the scalar value. Keeping into view the same, I'm taking a very small question wherein I'm going for the addition of the matrix along with the scalar multiplication. So let's take a question. If A is equal to 3, 7, 2, 6 and B is equal to 4, -2, 5, 8, then find 2A plus 3B. Also prove that 2 times A plus B is equal to 2A plus 2B. Now this statement, basically I have used the formula or the property of the scalar part that we had discussed yesterday. Property of the multiplication of sum of the two matrix by a scalar quantity. So as part of the solution, what do you mean by 2A? So 2A is nothing but it's twice of 3, 7, 2, 6. Now this 2 is a scalar quantity. This 2 is called as scalar quantity. So the resultant for this will be every quantity or every element inside the matrix gets multiplied with value 2. It is 3 to the 6, 7 to the 14, 2 to the 4 and 6 to the 12. Similarly, 3B is equal to 3 times 4 minus 2, 5, 8. 4 3 are 12, minus 6, 15 and 24. Now I have to find the sum of 2A plus 3B. So the first two steps, I have gone with the concept of multiplication of a matrix by a scalar quantity. Next is I am taking the sum of the two matrices. So it is 6, 4, 4, 12 plus 12.
Or it's 6, 14, 4, 12.
Oh yeah, sorry, 6, 14, 4, 12. And 12 minus 6, 15 and 24. Addition, but obviously it is possible because the order of both the matrices is same, that is 2 by 2. Now the elements at the respective positions will get added up. That is, it is 6 plus 12, 14 plus of minus 6, it is 4 plus 15 and 12 plus 24. So 12 plus 6 is 18, 14 minus 6 is 8, this is 19 and 36. And this resultant matrix also has order 2 by 2. So in addition, the order of the resultant matrix is not going to get changed. It remains same. Now, the second part of the question, I have to find the sum of the matrix A and B first. So 2 times A plus B is equal to 2 times 3, 7, 2, 6 plus 4 minus 2, 5 and 8, which is equal to 2 times I'm directly adding 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 minus 2 is 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, and 6 plus 8 is 14, which is equal to, now this resultant has to be multiplied with scalar quantity 2, so I am getting 7 to the 14, 5 to the 10, 14 and 28. This is my LHS. Now 2A plus 2B. So the value of 2A already we have. The value of 2A, this part I'm going to use this 2A. So I need to find 2B. So 2A is equal to 6, 14, 4, 12 plus 2 times B, that is 2 times 4 minus 2, 5, 8. 6, 4, 14, 12 plus 4 to the 8 minus 4, 5 to the 10, 8 to the 16.
Sir, can you please again start with this 2A plus 2B thing?
2A part,
How did you get that
result,
4? Okay.
2A part I've taken from this one, the previous question, first part. 2A,
Okay.
this one, this result I've,
And then 3B is this one.
and 2B I've calculated over here.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now directly going for the addition of the two matrix, elements of the respective positions are getting added. So 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 minus 4 is 10, 4 plus 10 is 14, 12 plus 16 is 28, which is equal to RHS. Now I can see that LHS is equal to RHS and hence it is verified. A is equal to 3, 1, 0, minus 2. B is equal to 5, minus 3, 1, 2. Then I have to find the matrices, first part. A plus 3B. Second part, 3A minus 4A minus 7B. Let's go for 4A minus 7B. Third part, also show that A plus 3B transpose is A transpose plus 3B transpose. Solution of the first part, it is A plus 3B. That is 3, 0, 1 minus 2A plus 3 times B, that is 5 minus 3, 1, 2. This is equal to 3, 1, 0 minus 2 plus 5 3 are 15 minus 9, 3, 3 2 are 6. (15 plus 3, 18. 1 minus 9 is minus 8. This is 3 minus 2 plus 6 is 4. Second part is 4A minus 7B. 4A minus 7B, which is equal to, I'm just converting it to plus form. So it is 4A plus of minus 7b. Just to make my calculation simpler, I have converted into the plus format, which is equal to 4 times 310 minus 2 plus minus 7 times 5 minus 3 1 2. So what does it mean when I'm saying plus of minus 7 time means the scalar value as of now is minus 7. It's not 7. I've considered the scalar value as minus 7. So every element inside the matrix will get multiplied by minus 7 because I've written it as plus, which is equal to 4 3 are 12, 4 0 minus 8 plus, now it is minus 7 into 5, that is minus 35. Minus 7 into minus 3 is 21. Minus 7 into 1 is minus 7 and this is minus 14. Why did I convert? Because as I said in the previous lecture also that addition is simpler than subtraction. We are more comfortable going for the addition as compared to the subtraction. Which is equal to 12 minus 35, 4 plus 21, 0 minus 7 and minus 8 minus 40. Minus 23, 25, minus 7 and minus 22. The third part is going to be solved in 3 stages basically. What do I have to do? First of all, I have to find a plus 3b and then I have to go for the transpose. So what happens in the transpose? We have discussed in the last lecture. That is, order gets changed. Row becomes column, column becomes row. So let's start with a plus 3b first. A plus 3b, which is equal to 3 1 0 minus 2 plus 3 times 5 minus 3 1 2, which is equal to how much? It's 3 1 0 minus 2 plus 5 3 are 15 minus
और हमें फर्स्ट वाले इसमें मिल गया था, सेम ही था a plus 3b.
ओके फाइन. अब रिटर्न यहाँ पे मैं लिख देता हूँ. So the resultant was, I'm simply writing the resultant as 18 minus 8, 3 and 4. Now I have to find the transpose. That is a plus 3b transpose. So what I have to do in the transpose part is this first row becomes my first column. Similarly, second row will become my second column, which is equal to 18 minus 8, 3 and 4. First row has become my first column, second row has become my second column, or other way around also you can say that first column becomes your first row, second column becomes your second row and so on. This is my left hand side. Now moving on to the right hand side, what I need is A transpose. Along with that I need B transpose as well. So let's find A transpose. A transpose is equal to 3 1 0 minus 2. Then B transpose. First of all, I have to find B transpose. B transpose is equal to 5 minus 3, 1, 2. Then I have to find 3 times B transpose. which is equal to 5 3 are 15, 3 minus 9 and 3 2 are 6. And finally, I have to find the result, that is A transpose plus 3 times B transpose, which is equal to 3 0 1 minus 2 plus 15, 3 minus 9 and 6. And on addition, I'm getting 3 plus 15 is 18, 0 plus 3 is 3, 1 minus 9 is minus 8, and minus 2 plus 6 is minus 4, plus 4, sorry, which is equal to RHS. So what I've got, that LHS is equal to RHS. So the question is, next question is, if A is equal to 2 7 minus 3 4, then I have to find matrix X such that 2A plus 3B is 2A plus 3X is equal to 0. And 0 is the null matrix of order 2. How do I go about it? Anyone? Okay, first of all, let's express it, or I can say that let X matrix whose elements are A, B, C, D. Why A, B, C, D? Because the order has to have the same for the addition part. Now 2A, that is 2 times 2 7 minus 3 4 plus 3x is equal to 0. This is 2 to the 4, 7 to the 14, minus 6, 4 to the 8. Plus 3 times A, B, C, D equal to 0. So can I write it this way? 3 times A, B, C, D is equal to minus times 4, 14, minus 6, 8. I've taken the matrix on the left hand side to the right hand side. Now this is minus. This is minus. So this can be written as minus 4, minus 14, 6 and minus 8 as well. I have multiplied the elements of the matrix with negative sign, whereas on the left hand side I'm still having A, B, C and D. Now I need to find the value of this matrix A, B, C, D, which is in short matrix X. This 3, when it comes on the other side, it becomes 1 by 3. So what do you mean by this 1 by 3? That scalar quantity is 1 by 3 now. So every element of the matrix will get multiplied by 1 by 3, or every element gets divided by 3. It's all the same thing. So the finally matrix we have is minus 4 by 3, minus 14 by 3, 6 upon 3, and it is minus 8 by 3, which in the simplified form.
Why is it minus, sorry, 1 upon 3?
3 on the left hand side I have in the numerator, other side when it goes it comes in the denominator.
So for that you have to put 1 by 3?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thanks. Sir.
So matrix X that we have is minus 4 by 3, minus 14 by 3, 2 and minus 8 by 3. Okay, so the homework is given, matrix A is given, matrix B is also given. And now to find two matrix X and Y such that first part is 3A minus 2B minus 3X is equal to 4 times I. And second is 2A plus 3B minus 2Y is equal to 3 times I. And what is I? It is a unit matrix of order 3. So please try this question back home. If you're getting the answer, well and good. Otherwise, we'll discuss the solution in the next class. Fine. That's all for the day.